Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get bricks fast in Doomspire Tower Defense. To truly master brick farming, you need to prioritize income generation from the very beginning of every match. This isn't just about winning, it's about building a robust economy that fuels your defenses and upgrades. We'll dive into the specific strategies and towers that will help you accumulate bricks at an accelerated rate, ensuring you always have the resources you need to dominate the battlefield. The cornerstone of fast brick farming is the strategic deployment of income towers. As soon as a match begins, place your chosen income towers in optimal, safe locations. Upgrading them to their initial tiers significantly boosts their brick production. Your goal should be to establish a consistent flow of at least 50 bricks per wave, allowing you to rapidly expand your defenses and prepare for tougher challenges ahead. To truly maximize your brick output, it's crucial to strike a delicate balance. While defense is important, continuously reinvesting your bricks into upgrading existing income towers or deploying new ones is key. For example, upgrading an income tower from level 1 to level 2 might increase its output by 25%. Always evaluate if selling a low-performing tower to place a more efficient income generator would benefit your long-term brick economy. For advanced brick farming, explore game modes known for their generous brick rewards. Team coordination is also vital. Working with allies to establish a shared, robust economy can dramatically increase everyone's brick count. Remember, the safest placement for your income towers is often away from direct enemy paths, ensuring they can generate bricks uninterrupted for the entire duration of the match. These techniques will elevate your brick earning potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.